Apple just announced a big product drop on February 19th. Hey everyone! Apple just surprised us with an announcement. They're dropping new products on February 19th, and I think this is going to be a pretty big deal. Let me break it all down for you, because there are some exciting things coming. First, Apple's invitation for this event has a clue. Their logo is surrounded by a fading circle. Some people think this means a new AirTag is coming, but that's not expected until 2025. Instead, it looks like Apple is hinting at removing the home button from their cheapest iPhone, the iPhone SE. But wait, it might not even be called the iPhone SE anymore. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Rumors suggest Apple could call it the iPhone 16e, which would be a budget-friendly version of the iPhone 16 lineup. Tim Cook even hinted at a new member of the family, so this could be it. Here's what we know about the iPhone 16e so far. Design, it's getting a major redesign. The home button is gone, and it's getting a bigger 6.1-inch OLED display. Face ID will replace Touch ID, and there might be a notch at the top, but probably not the dynamic island feature. The old Ring silent switch is being replaced with a customizable action button, like on the iPhone 15 Pro. USB-C, yes, it's finally here. Apple had to switch to USB-C because of new EU laws, so the Lightning port is gone. Camera improvement, even though it still has a single camera, it's rumored to be a huge upgrade, a 48-megapixel sensor. This could even let you zoom in 2 times without losing quality. Performance is expected to have the latest A18 chip, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and support for Apple Intelligence features right out of the box. And of course, battery life of an Apple SE4 is reportedly increasing the battery size by nearly 40%, and the A18 chip's efficiency will make it last even longer. This could be the first iPhone with a custom Apple-designed 5G modem, which should improve performance and battery life even more. Other possible upgrades: smoother, curved edges like the iPhone 16, better water resistance, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, crash detection and satellite connectivity, just like the iPhone 16. Honestly, this sounds more like an iPhone 16 than an iPhone SE. It's a huge leap from the old SE models. And while this might be the only new product announced on February 19th, it's still a big deal. What do you think about the iPhone 16e? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates when this phone drops.